Hey everybody, on this video, got a project child safe. It says putting a lock on safety in your home. Not for resale, it's a gun lock here. I guess they give these away. My neighbor had a box of them, gave me 2 of them for some of my firearms, but I don't really need them because I don't have any kids running around. So there's really only one gun that's ever out, and it goes with me if I leave, so not really something I need. But anyway, see if we can pick it here. Looking at it, it's a small keyway, and it actually is a pin tumbler lock and not a wafer lock like some of these cheap gun locks are. Keyway is so small though, it would be difficult tensioning it and getting a pick in. We'll try our best here. There it goes. It's unlocked anyway, and I guess ready to either go in the trash, or I'll probably see if I can find somebody who wants this and maybe has a use for it. Although I would say if you can afford a gun, you should be able to afford a lock to put on it, but I suppose that's not always the case with people. But anyway, that'll do it for this video, and we'll talk to everybody later.